Hey guys, Rich from RDV here. Gonna be showing you guys our new AC-W wireless adapter for both CarPlay and Android Auto. So this will convert wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto to wireless. Super simple, easy install. Just plugs into the USB. Quick boot, and then I'll show you guys how to pair it real quick. And this adapter also works on aftermarket radios as well as factory radios. CarPlay has already popped up. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pair this really quick here. So this way you guys get an idea of how fast this connects. Let's go to Bluetooth, wireless adapter, pair, allow. There it is. CarPlay's already on screen. It's super fast boot. Takes only 8 seconds to full boot once you get in the car. And it allows complete OEM functionality of both CarPlay and Android Auto. So it'll work just like as if it was factory. There's no change in the way it functions. Check us out at rdvfl.com.